Other barbers used to push his hairline back like this because he has 2 light spots. To give it the false appearance, we're going to take it down a little bit for the light spot area, thin it out, apply some hairspray, line it up, real natural but real full. This is the finished product without enhancements, then this is with enhancements. Let me know what you think.
Hey, what you trying to get?
You know that little Jason Tatum, that Tatum cut.
We cutting this out.
Yeah, that's gone.
All this, everything about a ponytail.
Everybody.
Huh?
Everybody, everything need to go.
What you want to do with the face?
You shave me up, fix this at home. Call that the candy lip.
The what? What's the difference between me and your other barber?
You on time and you get it done. And you do better than him. It's that simple. He got you beat, brother. He got you beat. Let's get to it. It ain't no saying it ain't.
My client has a widow's peak and barbers leave him looking like this. What the fuck? Prevent this, I thin the widow's peak out. Clean the skin and the hair with some wet. Set the hair in place with some spritz. Start in the middle, getting rid of the widow's peak, matching the sides to the middle. Apply some of this stuff. Dry the hair to set the style in place. Now homeboy's dipping. And this is what the hairline looks like even after aggressive brushing. Tap the link in my bio if you don't want to end up looking like Vegeta.
A client wants a lineup, and most barbers are going to leave it lopsided or pushed back like this. So I start with both his hooks first to make sure it comes out symmetrical. Then I'm lining up his top line, getting it clean and sharp, then detailing with the razor. And this is the final cut. I got his lineup nice and symmetrical. It's clean, it's sharp. This lineup was $150. If you're in the LA area and want an on-point lineup, click the link in my bio to book your appointment.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, turn on the post notification to get update for every new upload.